What's going on, guys? So, I feel like a lot of content around AI trading bots overcomplicates stuff that's actually pretty straightforward when you see it in action. I've been testing these systems for several months now, tracking what comes out, figuring out what's actually worth using. And today, I'm showing you one of these systems, walking through every step and then sticking around to share some things I figured out that I wish someone had told me earlier. All right, let's do this. So, platform is up, and before I just start clicking through stuff, I want to actually explain each step as I go, because when you understand what you're setting up, the whole thing makes way more sense. Going into launch bot here, okay, open. So first step, trading pair, which coin the bot is going to work with. And the reason this list is so long is because it's plugged into 20 exchanges at the same time, so you've genuinely got a lot of options. I'm picking BTC. Okay, here I select live mode, and now it asks my receiving address. Done. Next, I set up how much crypto I'll use for this session.
Okay, next, I want to explain this one properly because it actually matters a lot and most people just slide it without thinking. Basically, it's a filter for how selective the bot is. Keep it low and it only takes the safest, most obvious trades. Push it higher and it starts going after trades with more uncertainty attached. I want the bot to be selective, not trigger happy. Good. Then I configure the approach the AI uses to find and act on price gaps. Different methods work better at different times. Okay, so funding screen, and here platform offers me different tokens. I don't need to prep anything specific, it handles the conversion on their end, or just use Wallet Connect. All done by my end, so I launch the system. Okay, we're live. Right here I can see everything loading up. Trades, win rate, chart, all that I need to monitor the process. So now I press stop. Good, sessions ended, and here's the complete breakdown of trading. How long it ran, number of trades, win rate, and the final return with the platform fee already deducted. Okay, I press withdraw and wait a few minutes while assets heading to my wallet. So let me explain a few things while that happens, and I think it's worth understanding before you just trust a number on a screen. So every major coin, Bitcoin, Ethereum, whatever, trades on multiple markets at the same time. And here's the key thing. They're completely independent from each other. So the price of the same coin is almost never identical across all of them at once. Like right now, Bitcoin might be trading at slightly different prices on 3 different exchanges simultaneously. And that price gap, however small, is basically a profit opportunity sitting right there. The catch is, it disappears incredibly fast. We're talking fractions of a second. No human is clicking fast enough to catch that consistently. And that's exactly the problem AI system solves. The second it detects that gap, it buys on the cheaper exchange and sells on the more expensive one almost simultaneously. The profit is just the difference between those two prices. That's how the returns actually accumulate. And this is actually a big part of why AI arbitrage makes sense specifically right now, because the alternatives aren't great. Manually trading crypto right now is genuinely tough. Markets are unpredictable, and most regular people end up on the wrong side of moves driven by large players. Staking returns have dropped significantly compared to a couple of years ago. The yields that seemed attractive back then have compressed as more capital poured in. And automated arbitrage doesn't depend on any of that. It doesn't need the market to go up or down. It extracts returns from price differences that exist regardless of what the market is doing. And those price differences have actually become more common as the number of exchanges has grown and liquidity has spread across more platforms. More exchanges means more gaps. So right now, that combination is genuinely hard to beat from a consistency standpoint.